Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change out your wiper blades on a Honda CRV. So we're going to start out here on the passenger side of the vehicle, starting with this blade here, and we're going to be replacing them with the Bosch Icon blades. I just ordered these off Amazon. I really like these blades. I'll just put a link in the description below of the ones I got. And you'll have two blades, and one is going to be the short blade, which is this one, and one is going to be the longer blade. You can see the difference here. Short one's passenger side, long one is driver's side. So we're going to start here, lift up on the wiper arm, and we're going to reach underneath here, and with our index finger between the blade and the arm, there's this little tab right here. And I'm going to use my index finger and just pull up on the little tab. And while I'm holding up on the tab, I'm going to use my other hand and I'm going to slide the blade towards the center of the vehicle. And then once it starts to go, you can release the tab and just focus on using both hands to slide it towards the center. And it pops it off of this clip right here. And make sure you keep holding up on this, or if you do have to set it down, don't just let go and snap it down, because it's spring loaded and you'll have metal going against glass. So if you do have to set it down real easy. If you have to go get your blade or something. But then we got our new Bosch blade here, and we're going to open it up. So we're going to open it up by pushing on both sides, kind of squeezing and then pulling up. And then we are going to feed our arm through the opening and then around the front side here, and then we're going to slide it into place. And it clips into place, and then we're going to take this and go ahead and slide it down and clip it in. And now we'll go ahead and do the driver's side. Alright, now we're over here on the driver's side, and before I put this new Bosch blade on, I just want to show you to take these type of blades off is just slightly different than the typical blade that has a tab right there on the bottom there between the arm and the blade. So these don't have the tab, so to take them off, so you have the arm that goes through here and hooks around right through here, so it's going to hook in there like that. So to release it, you're just going to squeeze on both sides, flip this open, and imagine the hook is in between here. It's hooked around here, and then all you would do, it was just put pressure and slide it off of this portion right here. There's no tab to press in, so that's really the only difference. You're still sliding the hook off of this portion right here of the blade. So let's go ahead and get this swapped out. So same thing, we're going to pick up on the arm, reach underneath there, and there's a little tab right there, so I'm going to push it on the tab, and with my other hand I'm going to pull the blade towards me, and it pops it right off. Again, don't slam it down. This one you can either leave it up or you can set it down. I'm just going to leave it up, and we're going to feed the hook through the hole, and then slide it onto the hook. And once you slid it onto the hook, just go ahead and press this down, and you're good to go. And I'll give you guys a close-up here of the tab that I was pushing. So that's the tab right there, and all I'm doing is just pushing it up, and then pulling it off of the hook. Real simple, very easy to do, you guys. But that's it. That's how you change out your wiper blades. Thanks for watching.